Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new meme project. It's a very good project and give you a big profit. So without wasting our time we can start the video. As you can see, the website was open on screen and the link of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join this project. The name of this project is Dog to Coin God of Dog meme, and it's a very good meme project, give you a big profit. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel, press bell icon for latest videos and notification. So as you can see, the pre-sale was live, simply participate in it. The 9 days was remaining. So friend, you can see the pre-sale detail. As you can see, next price increase in 9 days, must join and you will increase your fund. The price of 1 Doge 2 is 0.001. Switch from BNB, USDT, Ethereum, USDT. Every option was available. Simply swap. For this method you can simply connect your wallet. First of all, connect your wallet with MetaMask, Trust Wallet, which one you have. Simply connect your wallet, then easily swap this Doge to coin from BNB, USDT, which one you want to have. So must participate in pre-sale. It's a very good opportunity for you to get a big profit. So it's a very good opportunity for you, and you also get a referral link to earn more rewards. So must participate in it. So we can scroll down more, you can see many more details. Smart contract was also available, and if you want to another detail, you will also showing on this website. I will already and tell you about how things was developed. The Doge Gold meme is coming, 80% was it completed. As you can see, your own universe, your own world, your own blockchain, you can see, and it's a very good project. And you can simply have a instant connection between Ethereum and Dogecoin, lower transaction fees, and many more opportunity you will get from this project and make a good profit. So it's a very good opportunity for you. It's a meme project and already give you a big profit from Dogecoin, and it's a very big opportunity for you. So must join and make profit from this project. It's a simple method for start. You can see how to start buying. Simple create your wallet on MetaMask or a Trust Wallet. I will already share with you, and connect with Ethereum or a USDT, and simply you can purchase this Dog to coin. So it's a very easy and simple method. So hopefully you will know how you can buy. Join the community for latest updates and news, how much thing was developed, and in future which thing you can see. It will be shared on social media accounts, so must participate in it. You can see what is Doge to coin. Introduction was available in a universe where meme, rules, emotions, and cryptocurrencies, a mythical feature emerged. Doge to the god of Doge meme coin, and many more things was available. Must read the detail of this project. The network was using is Ethereum ERC20 with zero network fees, and you will get a faster transactions. So must participate, read the detail, then you can see the ecosystem of this project. You can see block explainer, dex bridge, and incentive of developers, and many more things was coming, you can see in this project. So must read the detail. History was also available, and must read the white paper of this project. I will share with you. You can see, first of all, read the introduction, then read about blockchain ecosystem, then you can see Ethereum layer 2 was available. It helps to grow you more your assets, and must read the roadmap. It's tell you how much thing was developed in this project and how projects grow in future. So must read the detail and then participate in it. Tokenomics was also sharing on screen. It's tell you about how much distribution was going to team, pre-sale, staking, and how much thing was available. The liquidity was 20%, staking was 20%, and many more rewards you will get from this project. And the conclusion was also available. So must read the detail, then participate in it. Our journey was available, project journey was available, growth phase and expansion phase, and many more things you can see. So must read the detail, then participate in it, and you will also see the tokenomics of this project. You can see the distribution, total supply, lock liquidity for 10 years, and you will see the distribution of the token. And as you can see, a little bit doggy to life and memes was also available. So must watch. to get know about how project work, and FAQ was also available. So these are the main detail of this project I will share with you. It's a good and long terming meme project. Must participate in it and get more profit. Also participate in pre-sale, I will already tell you. So it's a very good opportunity for you to get more profitable. Now I will share with you the social media account of this project. You can see, must join the Twitter account of this project and must read the detail. You can see latest announcement detail was also available, and you will get more profit. So must join and follow on social media account. You will also see the Telegram community of this project, and must join the Telegram community to get many more updates and notification and gets more profit. So it's a very good opportunity for you. Must join the pre-sale, read the detail, and be a big profit in future. So hopefully you will like this video, like this project. If you like this video, so must subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meet in next video.